Hey, this is Ryan with NutHouse Industries. Today I'd like to show you our Nutshell XL. It's an all aluminum construction canopy for the pickups. We offer them for the Gladiators, the midsize, the full size. Full aluminum construction, powder coated, everything's on gas struts. We have options for MOLLE panels on the inside, back wall. We have maxed out storage box here. We have some MOLLE panels on the other side that could be interchanged with the storage box. Over here in this storage box, we have some dividers, we have some back panels, some top panels, some propane holders. You can kind of set these up at whatever interval you want using this tap system on the back wall. And then you can just use a bungee cord to keep stuff isolated. We leave this panel nice and broad, so if you want to put some solar ports or a water port, good spot to do all that. On top of this, we have our crossbar tower system. It goes from an 80-20 extrusion 1x3 down to L-track, real common L-track, so lets you adapt to that. And then we have our awning brackets that work up there. Our racks have integrated electric packages, so we got some floodlights, some CHMSLs. We offer a lot of interior lighting on them. We can do some switches up here on the sides. A lot of different options here. Over here on the Gladiator, we have our what we call the hard deck, and then we have a rack on top of that hard deck. So this 5-inch hard deck gives us a little more storage. It lets us put ARB 63-quart fridge on here, and then that'll slide up under there. So on this unit, we got some passive air vents on the very front. We have some other vented louvers, so when you do put your fridge back here, you should get enough ventilation to keep that cool. We've kind of integrated front runner table here, and then whole thing kind of shuts like this. Your electric locking tailgate kind of secures all that. On top of there, we have a 40-inch spare. We have MOLLE plates and Rotopack options here, propane mounts that we make, and then again, we have our storage box with different options available inside of that. On our Ram 2500, we have one of our standard height bed racks, all aluminum, fully welded, powder coated. We have a coiling cover here, and then above that, we have what we call our tire shelf option. So that allows the coiling cover to go in and out. Stores a 40-inch spare, stores our storage box and more propane. You can do a lot of different loadouts with that system. Usually there's good tie-down systems, so you could do firewood or roam boxes or different things like that. And then here's another one of our bed slides. You can see we got L-track welded on top of that, a rubber mat. Now if you come around to this other side, we've put a 20-gallon water tank up where the spare used to be, and then these are our ports to get into that. So you would fill through one port, get water out the other. And then another storage box, a couple different mounts inside of there. So we have options for most vehicles. Give us a call at the shop or look us up at nuthouseindustries.com.